Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine such as N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine guys. And if you have problems with your serpentine belt, the serpentine belt not staying on, keep coming off guys, stay with us. We will explain what can cause your belt to fall off guys. And let's say you install it and it comes off again. There could be guys 5 to 7 things that I can think of and we see here at the shop quite often. So make sure you stay until the very end. Doesn't matter guys, okay, if you have a 2006 N52 engine or if you have a 2015 N55 engine, the procedure will be about the same for all of them. So make sure you stay with us guys. Before we start, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, belts, tensioners, pulleys, anything we talk about, we have the link shared in the description of the video below. Also, we have another channel where you can find quite helpful videos for diagnostics and electrical components on BMW. Okay, this one right there, we have helped probably close to 10 million people guys, so please check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there as well. Depending on the year, configuration, model, engine that you have guys, there is a little bit of a difference between N52 and N55 engines. Let's say you may have electric power steering pump or mechanical driven by the belt. In most cases guys, okay, in most cases the water pump will be electric water pump. It will not be driven by the belt, but you will have your crankshaft pulley. That's the pulley that actually spins with the crankshaft, so that's the pulley that activates, that moves your serpentine belt. And you may have power steering pump. Idle pulley is a pulley that doesn't run any accessories. It just helps the belt to reach another accessory such as the alternator. Then you have your tensioner. It looks something like that. And AC compressor guys. So what can cause the belt to come off? Number one that we see here at the shop is a tensioner that fails guys. Okay, the tensioner on the back side, I want to show you, it has a big spring right there. If that big spring gets loose, it doesn't have enough strength to keep that tensioner always put, what will happen? The belt will develop slack. That slack, okay, will actually make your belt come off. So okay, check it out. Now it's spring loaded, okay, like that. And if we move it, check how much more it's going to go back, okay. But number one reason is the tensioner, and you always have to replace that bolt with it too. Number two, okay, those pulleys, listen now. Okay, those pulleys, they develop quite a bit of play sometimes. Okay, that pulley has a play. Same thing for the idle pulley. We have a video that explains how to take them apart and re-grease them, but at some point the bearings may fail. The pulley is plastic, it may fail itself and it can develop a play and not be stable. So if you have play guys, that play can cause your belt to come off. And make sure that the pulleys are in one plane. All of the pulleys are in one plane. If you have a pulley that's sticking sideways or something like that, that will cause your belt to come off. Now, what else can cause that? The belt guys, okay, eventually when it gets old, it wears out, it gets thinner, it stretches. For instance, this is the belt right here. You can see how thicker that belt is, okay, and this is an older belt. But if your belt is exposed guys to coolant leaks, oil leaks or anything like that, what will happen? Actually, it will drip on the belt. The belt is made out of rubber and that rubber will get soft and it will stretch. That can cause your belt to come off. So that's very common as well guys. So replace the belt, fix oil leaks, coolant leaks, anything like that. Another thing that we see, for instance, if the AC compressor is locked up, it quits working, your belt will be moving, that pulley will not spin, and as a result the belt will fall off. That could happen to AC compressor, alternator, even power steering pump guys. So make sure that all the pulleys, when you remove the belt, move nice and freely. But the AC compressor, it activates when you activate the compressor. The clutch itself pulls the pulley, and if the compressor is locked up, that can cause your belt to be destroyed or to come off. Another thing that we see at the shop, okay, that's the crankshaft pulley known as harmonic balancer. You have one rubber ring right here that keeps the two parts together so it catches the vibrations, but if it falls apart it will get wobbly and as a result the belt will be destroyed or will come off. And when you install your belt, make sure that you install it in every canal guys, okay. on all the pulleys, because if it's off by one tooth, what will happen? Okay, the belt will either be destroyed or it will come off. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.